gentleman in my yard where my materials are stored who pulled out a gun at my warehouse man when he asked him to leave the property. And now he's pacing back and forth in our yard by the gate. And he shot the gun.
He shot the gun?
Yeah, not at him, just shot it.
Does he still have the gun in his hand?
Yes.
He shot towards the fence of those people living next door.
Oh, there's a house.
He's going towards the back door.
He's at our back
Has he
door
fired
now.
again?
Yes. And there's people who live right behind us. He fired toward the houses.
Oh my God, I'm shooting again.
He's shooting it again.
There's house right there.
In which...
He's shooting at the policeman.
Okay.
He just got here. And there's CenturyLink people in the yard, too, that he's shooting at now.
Who is he shooting at as well? Other workers?
Did you hear that? That's CenturyLink.
I need you to back off. There he is. There he is. Put your hands up! Hands! C4, shots fired. Don't go past that garage, man. Don't go past that garage. Just one shooter. I got water for you. I got water for you. Hey, I got water for you. All you gotta do is put the gun down. Face the building and put the gun down, dude. Got him for a second. Come on, man. Go ahead, dude. Adrian, you got him? Put the gun down. I have water for you. Put the gun down, face the building. There. Man, you need a break? Yeah. Okay, I got it. You're going. Okay. Come on, dude, I got you water. Put the gun down. Just put it right there on that tile. You want your water, I have it for you. Just put it down, dude. I promise you. Who's my secondary rifle? Cooper, I'm with you. Cover me. I'm just gonna move up. He's right in front of a pole. Go ahead an inch. There you go. Okay. Are you good, Adrian? Hold on. Okay. Hold on. He dropped the mag. He dropped the mag. Thank you. Don't pick it up, dude. Just leave it there. Okay. I am up. Put the gun down, man. You copy me? I am up. Yep. I good. You're primary. I'm primary now. Put the gun down, dude. Don't put the mag in. Don't. Just put the gun down. Do we have CIT here? Not yet. I'm CIT. Dude, come on. Put it down. Okay. Hold up. Who shot? I shot. Okay. Keep the gun. Throw the gun down. I don't see him. He's hunched over. I got him. He's not moving. Okay. Hold. Throw the gun down. Hold position. Just throw it. I definitely hit him. I hit him in the side. He's still moving. He's still moving. Sir, don't move. Sir, don't move. Let me see your hand. He's loaded again. He's up.
Getting up.
I can't see him. I don't have a shot.
What? Have him on that side?
Stand by.
I need to know.
Stand by.
He's still on the ground.
He's on the ground, but he's on his knees.
10-3. He's in between the two garage doors to the east. Okay. I don't have a sight on him.
I do not have a sight on him either.
I see his feet.
Okay, stand by. You guys copy that? He's laying on top of the gun, so stand by.